Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today. And yes, today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this case for my Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so I've been having my XA2 Ultra for about a week now, or about 4 or 5 days actually, and I've been rocking it without a case, so I decided to pick up a case from Amazon, and here it is. It is from MoKo. It's a Xperia XA2 Ultra phone case, lightweight, TPU bumper cover, carbon fiber design. If you want to pause it and read the rest of it, you can definitely read it. It is $7.99. It is Prime eligible, and you can get it in indigo and black. The indigo is actually $9.99. I don't know why they charge for more for colors, but yeah, I definitely wanted to pick up a case for this phone. The choices right now are not many on Amazon, so let's go see how this looks and get this started. Nice little presentation. It could tell you where the case is, where you get the case, or what phone it is. Bam, there you go. You can pause that and read that. If you want to scan that too when you get it, you can scan those links. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and check out the case. Nice little presentation. Bam, here's the case. Look at that, brush metal look. It has a carbon fiber design. Y'all let me know in the comments, like, who they trying to, be like, but y'all let me know. But let's go over the case. Look at the inside. Nice little pattern on the inside. The ultimate experience. Bam. Alright, so on the left hand side, there's nothing. At the bottom, you can see the cutouts for the speaker, the USB Type-C, and the microphone. You have your little camera button there, your power button, and then also your volume rockers. Not bad looking. At the top, you have your headphone jack, and then also the other microphone. And then on the back, you can see the cutouts for the fingerprint scanner and the camera itself. Bam, that's enough of me yapping. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put this in. Alright, so let's check out the raise. Look at that. So it has a little bit of raise, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your display. Let's check out the power button. Power button works, fingerprints work, the volume rockers work. Want to turn that back off. Power button definitely works. Let's check out the cutouts, because that's what we care about. Cutouts for the speaker looks great, the USB Type-C, and then also the microphone. The cutouts for the cameras, look at that. Gives you nice lip action all the way around. So you drop your phone, you won't have to look. Now, no worries about busting out the camera lens or anything. Look at that design, though. Whew. At the top, you have your perfect cutouts for the headphone and then the microphone, too. This is a nice looking case. Definitely like it. If you want to pick this case up, I will have the link in the description, so you can definitely pick it up. Now, will it provide 100%, coverage on it? Will it protect your phone from, drops too high? Probably not, but it definitely will protect getting the back getting scratched. And also, if you want to put it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up the lens on the camera or even the display. So if you want to pick this case up, I will have the link in the description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the XA2 Ultra. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.